that's freaking, holy shit. That thing came off. Look at that. Let me get my shop vac. Literally can't get this trap off. I have no room this way. I got no room in the back. I mean, give me a break, man. Thing's on there, dude. Golly. Still can't get this off, dude. But now I was able to spin this. I'll get a freaking pipe wrench on this thing, dude. Okay, I gotta. Alright. This is the first time I've seen a disposal connected like this. It's a Badger. Looks newer. Look at that. I've not seen that before. Huh. Interesting. I shouldn't have wasted my time trying to get this off. Because I'm gonna have to cut this anyway. Why? So I can make sure that this goes down the drain and not up the vent. So what I'm gonna do is cut it and use the no-hub Bansky. And then I'm actually gonna, I wanna take this apart just to see how this is connected. Is this a different type of disposal? I'm tripping on this. I've never seen this before. Make sure that one's nice and tight, which it wasn't. Golly, that was not tight. I mean, this looks like it's made for this, so. Anyway. Man. That's a heck of a clog. Wow. That is something special. I mean, what is that? Whoa. How are there wipes? I must have gone into the sewer, dude. Yeah, I did put quite a bit in there. I probably put 50 feet in. I must have gone into the sewer. I have the retriever head on there, and it goes through any and every bend. It's such a good head to have. I like the circular ones better, but they're hard to get past certain bends, especially down Santees. Dang. That looks like grease, dude. I don't know, maybe I didn't go into the sewer. Who knows? But I think I did. Nasty, dude. Alright, got this back together. I think this blew off earlier because it has this really old and crusty slip joint washer. It's not the beveled kind. I can't even get it out of there. I have to pry it out with a screwdriver, but these are not my favorite type. So I'm gonna put a new one on here, and that should hold it. Make sure this one doesn't need the same. Come on, bro. There you go. Yeah, this one's gonna need one as well. This thing is ridiculous. It was hard to get in. Alright. These are the ones I like. Okay, I need 2 hands. But that goes on first. And then the slip J washer. There you go. Maybe I don't need 2 hands. Okay. All right. Make sure there's no leaks. Leaks. I am not a fan of this. I don't know what is going on with that, dude, but I do not like this at all. All right, no leakies. No leaky leaks, surprisingly. All right. All right, that's it. We're good.